Menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad ki sangma ulaong baka sorkar jala kadon ni kajing temu ka basyay ha kajing trekam kaban kentup lang ya baro. Habakren ha ka ULLAS Fest arjar arpn rio kabalalong hau susutam auditorium ha ka shpo trek yayong u Conrad ulaong. Ngalapun kuburam mi ki kena ki bawan syakmat ha ka SSLC ha ka step shpo trek yayong bat wat lagi day ki bakong san bha Henry kumju ru kalongi ki rang ba ki bampat nang bantho bat puli Henry ki ba angnut ya kani bat ada ngimla ban kta ya ka jing im jing kini ki briu kum taru ka mission jongi kalong ka bam dep pura ha kani ka program layadon lang ru umintri katanat puli puthi u balak men rumbui u commissioner and secretary katanat puli puthi u vijay mantri nalor ki officer katanat puli puthi ki nohi kai ki nong job ka ULLAS bat ki wei Menteri rang ba ulapan pau baka ULLAS kadi ka program ke badan buram bat ong baki babun ki briu kim dan ya kalat ka kabu banlong ki bala nang ban tho ban puli Henry kani ka program ka poise ki tu ki badan ka jing ang nuot ban puli bat tho ula kintu ya baro bakin ya treilang pan kenjo shakashis pa persen ka jing don jung ki briu ki bala nang ban tho bat puli Gilajan kenjo shakashis pa persen ka jingdon kinong shong shnong ki bala nang ban tho bat puli Henry ni hab ni treilang kum ka imlang sa lang ban wanrah jingkylla ha ka puli dangle haba pen ku bor ya baro ki briu ha ka imlang sa lang ulaong kat ba umintri katanat puli puthi ubala kemen rumbui ulaong ba kidon sakumba arlak ngut kinong shong shnong ha Meghalaya ki bampat nang ban tho bat puli Menteri rang ba bat ki weipat ki he ki han kilapun ku buram ya ki ULLAS achievers bat ki ULLAS learners ki balarang ba du karta nakathan khasi bat jaintia ka ULLAS understanding of lifelong learning for all in society scheme kadi ka program jo ko sarkar pedeng jong usnam arja ar hadu arja nyau ban kyntiew ya ka puli puthi bat ka jing a jing hikai ya ki balasan khatsan snam shaneng ki badu ya kalat ban school
For us, the toppers are as important as our elders and seniors who are not literate yet, who aspire to be literate, who desire to be able to read and write. For us, if we are not able to touch these people's lives, then our mission is incomplete. And that is why today is a very special day, where we are touching the entire spectrum of society. The ULLAS program is truly a very noble program. It may sound very simple to all of us, especially those who have the opportunity to go to school or have had the opportunity to go to school, to learn, to write, to become educated, to pass the metric exam, to graduate. It sounds very simple for us. But there are many among us who did not get that opportunity. It's not that they didn't want to, and it's not that they didn't try. It's just that the system was not there. The opportunity was not there for them to be able to become literate and get the kind of education that each and every citizen of our state and of our country deserves. I thank the Education Department, our Education Minister, for the tremendous work that they are doing. What we do today in Education Department, I'm sure most of us will not be able to see the results or the impact of that because things change. But 15, 20 years from now, the seeds that we have sown today, the tough decisions that we have made in education department today will show results in the decades to come. Let me put it this way. It's not so simple. Education requires reformation that requires time to actually show results. It's like planting a tree. That you plant the seed, you know what you are planting. You nurture it. You take care of it. You water it. It won't give you fruits the next year. It takes time. Education is the same. But I know that the work that the department today is doing is going to have a transformative impact, and the future generation will get the fruits of the hard work that the department is doing today. While I say that, today, while we do the ULLAS program, and while we today strive towards becoming a literate state, and we will very, very soon, sadly, there will still be critics. There will still be people who will not look at the entire canvas, but they will look at that one dot on the side of the canvas and say, but what about that dot? What is the government doing about that one dot out there? While critics are important in governance and in life, I urge society, let us move forward positively. There will be challenges, there will be difficulties, there will be problems. Negativity is never the solution. It is only by having a positive mind, by being persistent, by having the right thought in your mind and the desire to do something good, only that can bring a change. We will become a fully literate state soon. That does not mean that the challenges of education will be over. There will be many, many challenges ahead. But let us work together as a society. Let us work together as a team. Let us work together as a state. Put our people and put our state in front of us. Let that drive every decision we make. I wish the volunteers, the entire department, and all the people who are behind this program, I wish you the very best, and I'm sure that with your work and with your support, this program will be truly successful and we will achieve our goal to become a fully literate state. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.
The people who really want to learn, the people who really want to know, and most importantly, the volunteers in respective village. Without your help, this day will not be possible. Commissioner Secretary and Director has already mentioned the importance of this program. I'm very happy that state of Meghalaya, we have reached more than 94%, but still that 0.8% is still a very long way. So I request each one of us, now we have under about 2 lakh population which not yet, so to say, literate. When we talk about literate, it is not a question of matriculate or anything, it's a question of basic knowledge of learning, skills, numeracy, extra. And this is why it is important. We know the government of India from time to time, from the Operation Blackboard in those days to the adult education, and now this program of ULLAS, which the target has been set that by 2027, the India as a whole will be fully literate country. So we as a part of the country, around 2 lakh of us, population in the state, which have not been certified literate. And to reach that benchmark of 95%, we need another 38,000 people. These 38,000, though the number may sound very few, but it is very tough task for us. So I request all the volunteers, all the block educator, all the district, let us join hands so that we could achieve. And if Mizoram could achieve, why not us? And if the country could achieve by 2027, why not us? So I request each one of you, education is very important, literacy is very important. Let us treat as Maramba, he just spoken just now, that he feel the confident, he feel proud to be able to stand here because at least he knows something. So this is an example, and this example not only for him but for every parent. If you try to gain the knowledge, to gain literacy, that will inspire the young children that they should not drop out from school. Honorable Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya, from time to time, try to invest as much as possible in education. When we talk about education, about the literacy of the state, the skills of the state, and so on and so forth. So this need the cooperation of each one of us. So on this platform, I request all the youth in Meghalaya, all the youth of Meghalaya, let us be a volunteer to make this thing happen. Let the 24th of April 2026 be a red letter day where maximum number of the people will take the test, on that day. And I hope that when the result declared, that benchmark of another 38,000 we could achieve, and we could proudly say that our Meghalaya is fully literate. I wish the volunteers, the students, the people of the state the best. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.